In this video, we are gonna make one of the 5 mother sauces, chicken veloute. Here's what we have for ingredients: flour, butter, and chicken stock. The chicken stock is homemade. I will put the link for that on how to make a real homemade chicken stock. It is important to use a homemade chicken stock. The sauce will come out creamier and a lot richer. The store-bought chicken stocks are more like brats, which we did go over that. We covered that in the chicken stock video. So again, homemade chicken stock. For our first step, we're gonna make a roux, which consists of equal parts butter or any kind of fat and flour. In this case, it's butter. We're gonna melt that completely down, then we're gonna slowly start whisking in our flour. We're gonna slowly start to add our flour in. We wanna get a wet sand consistency. We are only gonna cook this for about 5 minutes because I don't want to add any color to my roux. I want this sauce to be nice and light, so you don't want to cook this for too long. Right about there is perfect. Now I'm gonna kill my heat for just a second. Let this roux cool down just slightly. I'm going to slowly whisk in my chicken stock. A little bit at a time. What we're doing is we're tempering in the temperatures. We don't want to have any clumps here. So we let the flour and the chicken stock slowly incorporate into each other like a nice marriage. You don't rush things at the beginning. You take it nice and slow. That's the perfect color that we want. That nice light color. Scraping the edges really well because the flour likes to find areas where you're not scraping, and edges are one of them. So make sure that you scrape all your edges. I'll go ahead, I'll turn my heat back on now. We're gonna bring this up to a low simmer. We're gonna cook this for about 30 minutes on a low simmer. What we're doing is we're cooking out that flour taste. We're gonna add some salt and pepper now. If you have white pepper is better because it doesn't show up in the sauce. I will add the regular pepper, assuming you guys don't have white pepper. The first 5 minutes are crucial. Make sure that you come over here and you constantly whisk, because that flour is gonna try to settle to the bottom and you don't want it to burn. Little salt, little pepper, and we're gonna let this go for about 20 to 30 minutes until we can't taste that flour. There it is, guys. 30 minutes later, this is what you should have. Awesome color, great consistency. As you'll notice right here, perfect nappe. Beautiful. And that's all it is. Very simple. One of my favorite mother sauces, chicken veloute. Again, it's just important that you have that homemade chicken stock, and I'm gonna put the link right now for you. If you like my how-to videos, I also do recipe videos. Check out MindBlown Chef. Thanks.